Welcome back to the continuing series of educational videos empowering you to use the Tradeworks algorithmic trading tools to your best financial advantage. In this video, we will look at ways of adding entry and exit signals to your strategies. Entry signals are, of course, the method by which your strategy opens a position, and the exit signals are those which close a position. Please ensure that you have viewed and practiced our other videos on getting started and adding indicators. In a previous video, we added indicators to a strategy called Moving Averages H1 on Euro-Dollar. This very simple strategy consists of moving average crosses. To get started, we click on Entry Signals and click New. We have the option of creating a name for each signal just by editing the text. We will start with the sell signal and click Start Here. We now must decide if this signal is based on a bar, a trading symbol, an indicator, an amount, or finally a combination of a few, which in this case we will start a formula beginning with a bracket. To get started, we will use our previously added indicators. So, we want the EMA 8, an 8-period exponential moving average, after the previous bar, crosses from above to below, as this is a sell entry, of the EMA 34 after the previous bar, and as a confirmation, we want to combine this with another indicator, so we select AND. As an added convenience, you may delete any operation simply by hovering over it and clicking the X, and editing by clicking between the blocks. We have decided that we want to add a confirming indicator, but we hadn't added it previously. Here, we can select Create Indicator, and we may select anything we want, such as Parabolic SAR. Under most circumstances, we can see that if parabolic SAR is above the moving averages, then we might be starting a downtrend, so we set our confirming indicator as is greater than the EMA 34. In this case, both signals have to agree before we open a position. The buy entry can be set up using the exact same indicators, of course. When your logic is true and your signals trigger, they can be true for a long time and even every tick. So, we may want to limit the number of trades on each signal. If we click on the Advanced tab, we can limit the time between new trades that this signal is allowed to open. In this case, we only want one trade per hour, so we set our limit to 60 minutes. If we only want to trade certain sessions, we can limit entries to certain times of the day. We can now add an exit signal to close our position, and it can as well be any combination of indicators or conditions. As a simple example, we can use the parabolic SAR here as well to tell us if the trend is coming to an end. If we entered a sell trade with the SAR above the moving average, we can close the position when it goes below. Now that we are done, we click the Save button to save the signal. Keep in mind that Tradeworks is providing these tools for your benefit but does not offer trading advice. We highly recommend that you review the financial disclaimer published by your broker, as not all investment strategies may be suitable for all investors. Thanks for watching. We will be back with more soon.